So, good morning everyone. So I have to change the tires because this is not kind of a radial tires, and also it doesn't support on the hill stations that well. So recently when I actually went to the Chikmagalur ride, I almost got into a gutter, and that's because of the tires, because I did not have an option to corner at the roads and I had to go straight instead of, and we're going to fix the tire. So we have got the tire. Oh, he's closed it. Oh no, okay, so we are just fixing it over here, but we have got it from Tire Buddy. Okay, I'll just show you all what's the tire looks like. Trampler. So this is it. Look at this. 110 by 70 R70 steel radial. So you have a steel layer inside which protects your tire and also it gives good grip. Look at the tire. Look at the pitch length. Look at everything. It's very nice. And this is the year which it is up. 38th week and 2022. 22, 38th week, which means it is October, huh?
Yeah, correct. 38th week of 2022.
October or November?
October 22, first next month.
Okay, October 1st. Thank you. हो गया 1 लाख किलोमीटर. Okay.
Like that caters to KTM to the all variants except this adventure one, and then this R15 V4,
Yeah.
then MT60. So those vehicles we have Alpha series. They are selling like
Hotcakes. Yeah. Okay. But when did this get released, Trampler?
Like recent past, like I think like
Oh, that's it. Okay. So guys, I want to show you all the tire store from where I've purchased this tire. This is the store. It's my friend Prabhu's it is. So if I have to fix a tire, I come to his small store which he has. Tiny, but trust me, you get all the tires here. So what are the brands that you have? Maxis?
We have Maxis, Ralco, MRF, Apollo, and also we have Redistin for superbike segment.
Okay. Redistin, is it?
Yeah. The first photo.
What kind of super bikes is that which uses Redistin?
Yeah, that goes for this sports bike.
So we have come here to eat dosa, and this is Namma SLS. Some chemicals actually. So yummy, so yummy. ಬಿಸಿ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಪಲಾವ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಾಳೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಪ್ಪ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.